And this has been a really interesting and hot topic for a lot of individuals, because if you look at the markets over the last 5 years, they've done very well. Real estate markets, stock markets, and the like. And so now we're back into this game again of saying, hey, I have a highly appreciated asset, but I don't necessarily want to sell it because I don't want to pay the tax. We have a new capital gains tax rate, which is 20% for some of you, plus the new healthcare bill of another 3.8%. Real quickly, let me illustrate. Let's say you have a building, an apartment building, a single family residence that you bought many years ago for maybe $100,000. Today it's worth $1 million. Now, of course, you rented that place out, so you depreciated the house or the property down to zero. So your cost basis is zero. So if you sell it, you have $1 million gain. Okay? So if you sell that, with depreciation recapture, with capital gains, the Medicare tax, state tax, you might lose close to 40% of that asset. So if you go outright and sell it, that's $600,000 that you would net $400,000 gone to taxes. Well, you can set up what is called a tax-exempt trust. You move the property into the trust. The trust is a tax-exempt entity, and it sells that property. This is irrevocable trust, by the way. Once you do this, it's done. However, now you have the $1 million sitting in this trust that now you can create retirement income. So let me ask you a question. Would you rather create income on $600,000, or would you rather create it on $1 million? Of course you would rather create it on $1 million, because you can get a lot more income from that. Here's the caveat. 10% of that asset needs to go to a qualifying charity after you or your spouse's life. Let me ask you a quick question. Would you rather pay 40% in tax or 10% to a charity? I think we know the answer to that question. It's this. So if you want more information, go to purefinancial.com. For Big Al Clopine, I'm Joe Anderson. Thanks so much for watching. You just watched another episode of Your Money is Your Wealth. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.